Here is the original key. Key has been inserted, recognized. It's been turned on, open, and it will start the car. That's with this program emulator here. This is programmed, and we have this different key. As you can see, it'll turn, but it will not start the car right there. And we'll see, check it out with the one with unprogrammed emulator. Let's remove this one. This is an unprogrammed one. Let's insert it with the original key. It'll turn on, but it will not start the car. So you need a program key, a program emulator to start the car, and this one is no problem.